Apparently in Utah, you can do Uber helicopter and it'll pick you up in your yard. So we're gonna try it out today for the first time. Roscoe's freaking out. He's like, where's my seatbelt? Where's my... Hey, Roscoe's like, my seatbelt's not working. Roscoe, you don't need one back there. You're good. I hitchhiked from Florida to LA. And he gave us a ride in Tampa. We've been friends ever since. Now he's in a helicopter. Oh, yeah. Roscoe, if you're scared, just don't look down.
Where's the in-flight food service?